pork roast. It's a dish that shouts, celebration, family, and good times. A crispy, crackling, juicy meat, what's not to love? Don't worry, cooking a brilliant roast isn't hard. With a few simple steps, you'll be the king or queen of the kitchen. Now, don't be intimidated by the idea of roasting a big piece of meat. We're going to break it down together, step by step. Imagine the smiles on your family's faces as they dig into your delicious creation. Trust me, once you nail this roast, you'll be everyone's favorite cook. So roll up your sleeves, let's get this roast on the road. First things first, we need to talk pork. Head to your local butcher or supermarket and have a look at the different cuts. For roasting, I love a good shoulder or loin. Shoulder is a bit fattier, which means loads of flavor and it stays super juicy. Loin is a leaner cut, but still delicious. Just keep an eye on the cooking time. When choosing your pork, make sure it's good quality from a local butcher if you can. Look for meat that's firm and a nice rosy pink color. Now, before we get our hands dirty, let's gather our equipment. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy. Just good old-fashioned kitchen staples. You'll need a good sharp knife, a chopping board, a roasting pan, and some string for tying the roast, if using a rolled cut. And of course, a good meat thermometer is your best friend for perfect cooking. For flavor, grab some salt, pepper, garlic, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme. Olive oil is our friend for rubbing the pork and getting that crackling crispy. All right, let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Pat your pork dry with paper towels. We want that skin nice and dry for maximum crackling. Next, score the skin with a sharp knife about 1 centimeter apart. Rub the skin and meat generously with salt, pepper, and olive oil. Get those flavors right into the meat. Now tuck in some sprigs of rosemary and garlic cloves under the skin. Pop the pork in the roasting pan and roast for 20 minutes per pound, 500 grams plus an extra 20 minutes. Use your meat thermometer to ensure it's cooked through. Internal temperature 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it rest for 15 minutes before carving. Enjoy.